Sometimes the biggest lessons in life don't come from books or achievements, but from silence, from stillness, from something as small as a flower. This is Anna's story, but it might just be yours too. Anna was 17th, a top student in Seoul. Always first. First in school, first in exams, first in competitions. Her schedule was packed, her phone constantly buzzing, her calendar full. On the outside, she was winning, but inside, she felt lost. She was tired. She couldn't sleep well. She rarely smiled. Her mind kept racing, chasing goals she didn't even have time to question. One evening, her mother said gently, "Anna, your summer break has started. Go visit Halmoni in the countryside." Anna frowned. "Grandma's place? But there's no Wi-Fi, no Netflix, no friends." Her mom smiled. "Maybe that's exactly what you need." When Anna arrived in the quiet little village near Gyeongju, everything felt slow. No traffic sounds, no rush, just the rustling of trees, the scent of earth, and the calm of birdsong. Her grandmother opened the door with a warm hug. "My little butterfly, you've flown home." Anna smiled faintly. "More like a tired bee, Halmoni?" Her grandma chuckled. "Then it's time for this bee to rest." The next morning, Halmoni woke her at 6 a.m. "Come, let's meet someone," she said. Still half asleep, Anna followed her to the garden behind the house. There, in a small patch, colorful flowers swayed gently. Halmoni handed her a small watering can. "This is your job now," she said. "Water these flowers. Talk to them. Watch them grow." Anna blinked. "That's it? Just water and talk?" Her grandmother nodded. "Yes. And wait." At first, Anna didn't get it. She did it anyway. Water, clean, sit. But slowly, something shifted. She noticed a tiny bud opening. She watched a butterfly land softly on a leaf. She felt the morning sun on her skin and didn't reach for her phone. There were no grades, no trophies, no praise. But for the first time in years, Anna felt something else. Peace. One evening, she turned to Halmoni and said, "I don't know why, but I feel lighter, happier." Halmoni smiled. "That's because you finally stopped running and started living." Anna looked at her, eyes searching. Her grandma continued, "Let me tell you a secret. Life is not a race. It's a garden. You can't rush it. You can only nurture it." She pointed at the flower bed. "These didn't bloom because you forced them. They bloomed because you showed up, watered them, gave them sunlight and time." Then she shared 3 quiet truths. A farmer plants seeds and waits. He doesn't shout at the soil to grow faster. A bird builds its nest 1 twig at a time, not in 1 hour but with patience. And a mother carries her baby for months. Because life takes time. Because beauty takes time. Then she looked into Anna's eyes. "You too are growing. You are not a machine. Water your mind with kindness. Give your soul some sunshine. Remove the weeds of fear and comparison. And trust. Your flower will bloom." Anna's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you, Halmoni," she whispered. "I think I finally understand." Before Anna left, her grandmother placed a blooming flower in her palm. "You helped this flower grow," she said, "and while doing that, you helped yourself grow too." Anna smiled. "Next time I feel lost, I'll return to the garden inside me. In a world obsessed with speed and results, remember, real growth takes time. You don't have to bloom overnight. Just show up, care, and keep going. Like flowers, we all grow in our own season. Don't compare your path, nurture it. Peace comes not from speed, but from presence. So if you're tired, stop running. Step into your own garden. Water your heart. Sit in silence. Slow down. Breathe. And trust the process. Because sometimes, the quietest seasons grow the strongest roots. And one day, you will bloom. Completely. Vocabulary list, stillness. Meaning, a state of being quiet and calm, without movement. Example, the stillness of the early morning was broken only by the sound of birds chirping. Reluctance. Meaning, unwillingness or hesitation to do something. Example, he showed clear reluctance when asked to speak in front of the class. Serenity. Meaning, a peaceful, calm, and untroubled state. Example, the lake had a serenity that made her forget all her worries. Nurture. Meaning, to care for and help, develop or grow. Example, it takes time and patience to nurture a strong friendship. Harvest. Meaning, the process of gathering mature crops from the fields. Example, the farmers celebrated the end of the rice harvest with a local festival. Comparison. Meaning, the act of examining similarities and differences between two or more things. Example, constant comparison with others can lead to insecurity. Presence. Meaning, the state of being present or in the moment, physically or mentally. Example, during meditation, she focused on her breath to stay in full presence. Overwhelmed. Meaning, feeling a strong emotion that is too difficult to manage. Example, he felt overwhelmed by the amount of homework due in 1 week. Trophies. Meaning, physical awards given as a symbol of success or victory. Example, her shelf was filled with trophies from various art competitions. Blossom. Meaning, to develop or grow in a healthy or promising way. Example, with time and encouragement, her confidence began to blossom. Want more stories like this? Click the video on your screen for more inspiring moments. And in the comments, tell us, which part of Anna's story felt personal to you? See you in the next one. Stay calm, stay kind,